Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. If not, welcome back. Today is the big day that you guys have all been waiting for. I am officially announcing the giveaway. This is the tumbler I will be giving away. If you would like to find this mix, it is from Tom Thumb Glitters. The mix is called Aquamarine, and you can get 10% off with the code LexiSue. That's LEXISUE, all caps, 10. That will give you 10% off your glitter purchase from Tom Thumbs. So what you need to do to get an entry. First, you need to be subscribed to my channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be entered. Then you need to like this video. After that, comment below what your favorite video of mine is in the past. And that's it. That's how you get your first entry. You can get a second entry by liking my Facebook page. It will be linked down below so you can easily find that. So just go over there and like it. And then you can let me know in the comments below that you did do that. Also, to get a third, this will be your third, be able to get 3 entries. You just have to go watch one of my old videos, the whole thing, and then comment your favorite thing about that video in the comment section. That is it. I'm going to start working on another tutorial too. This one is going to be a Dawn soap tumbler. I don't know if you've seen them yet, but they're pretty neat. So I have my stuff set out, getting ready to make that for you guys. If you have any suggestions, just let me know below. I know someone said something about doing a prep video, so I am going to get that one done too. So I've got a prep one in the works. The dishwasher, I don't know why I keep saying dishwasher, the Dawn dish soap cup. I'm just trying to come up with ideas, so throw your ideas at me. Let me know what you want to see. Even if it's something I've never done, I always attempt things at least once. And my mess ups, you get to see my mess ups. Like, so if I fail, you get to see it. If I fail and fix it, then usually I try to fix it. You get to see what I did to fix it. So yeah, just let me know what you want to see and I'll get working on it. See you guys.